All right, so this exercise is gonna be tricep pushdowns with a rope attachment. It's a very simple exercise and very effective for building some triceps. So what you wanna do is you wanna get a nice, stable base. And then you wanna think about bringing the weights down and out. So you wanna bring it down and out. So the way that you do that is simple, like this, down, out. So you wanna hold for at least 1 second at the top, get a nice strong contraction, hold for 1 second at the top. Now, a mistake that a lot of people make, say when the weight's a little too heavy, let's give you an example. What ends up happening is you end up trying to do this, and you have a lot of extra motion in your shoulder that you don't need. So stop the ego lifting, because that was even heavy for me. Drop the weight, and you see the only thing that's really moving is my triceps. I don't have my shoulder doing anything, it's just my triceps. So here is another angle so you can see it from behind. Lock in, and then try to bring your triceps out. Rep out a couple, make sure you're doing good form, and watch as your triceps start to blow up.